What is effective listening? How can one become an effective listener? Effective listening is the ability to fully understand, interpret, and respond to what is being said. It goes beyond simply hearing words. It involves being actively engaged in the communication process. Key characteristics of effective listening. Focus. Effective listening involves giving your full attention to the speaker without distractions. Understanding. Grasping the message and its context, including emotions and nonverbal cues. Responding. Providing appropriate feedback and asking questions for clarification. Empathy. Trying to understand the speaker's perspective and feelings. How to become an effective listener? Pay attention. Train your mind to focus solely on the speaker, avoid distractions, and maintain eye contact, like phones or other tasks. Show that you are listening. Use nonverbal cues like nodding and leaning slightly towards to show engagement. Provide feedback. Summarize what you have heard to confirm understanding. Example, so what you are saying is defer judgment. Avoid forming an opinion or response until the speaker has finished. This helps prevent misunderstandings. Respond appropriately. Offer thoughtful responses or questions that encourage further dialogue. Practice empathy. Try to understand the speaker's emotions and viewpoint even if you don't agree. Ask questions. Clarify any points that are unclear, which shows you are engaged and interested. Be open minded. Approach conversations without preconceived notions, allowing for new ideas and perspectives. Becoming an effective listener takes time and practice, but with consistent effort, anyone can improve their listening skills.